The biggest change I would say is career is all one, but my mind becoming free. If I would say like before up, that was definitely life, but I would say that was more like a mechanical, like okay, spouse is there, mechanical. It's like machines he. Now the quality of conversations we have together, they're way different. Home is becoming more and more magical, I would say. I always wait for these events to happen. I want to come whenever it is. So that's my state all the time. Wife also has completed 2 ups now, actually. Whole family was there. That was really awesome.
What do you have to tell Antano and Harini?
We love you. Thanks for coming into our life. I'm into software industry and I'm working as a delivery manager over there, and mostly into development and I manage the teams into development, testing and all of this, the whole software development side.
I like to evolve in all the areas. It's not one. It's like I can take health, wealth, career, the family, relationships. One thing I'm already suffering is with a skin disease right now, that is psoriasis. I want to get rid of it.
I used to get a lot stressed. In fact, the stress actually caused me some skin issues also. Somewhere like I got so many tasks to do, I was not able to handle it. But now it went on well, and post up, that kind of stress is not there. I can see my skin also healing actually. The biggest change I would say is career is all one, but my mind becoming free. It now I can achieve anything. Now I always have a free mind. That's the one thing. Yeah. Regarding work, it's been 2 years that I got any client appreciation. This time I got. Somebody specifically wrote a note saying that Pradeep, due to your work and everything, this has happened, and thanks a lot. There's a one specific note which I have not got before anytime, like a one-on-one note. So I was very happy to see that one coming in. I would say initial 1 month after up was like a very good state. The first up itself, I would say there was a safety net for me all the time. It was a very different experience of being in that high performance state. I had never experienced before. And then first up over, second up. After second up, I felt I had a much more evolution, I would say. Like previously, I was even afraid to tell that I want to change the project. I had a small project, team with 7 members. But after the first up, I could tell that I want to change. Before third up, I got out of the project, and I used to have 7 people, I used to manage 7 people before, and I was looking what could be done, but now I have 50 people reporting to me.
Wow.
And now I feel I'm ready for the next level, and that's very nice actually.
Pradeep, how many years time compression have happened for you?
To get to this state, I would have easily taken 6 to 8 years, most probably.
Right now, the way I'm working or doing things, I don't feel like this is a role model for my child to look at. I act as a good parent, a good husband, and show her also what is good and what is bad and how it is. Right now, it is more like I'm also part of the same game which everybody is playing, and not happy with it.
From before to now, I would say relationship with my wife, it has grown very well. There's a lot more love between both of us, a lot of understanding between both of us. Even my daughter is reciprocating a lot of love, and there was a guilty feeling that I'm not able to give time to her, but now that is not there. It's like whatever time is available, I'm able to spend with her. If I would say before up, that was definitely life, but I would say that was more like a mechanical, okay, spouse is there, mechanical. It's like machines he. Till that time I didn't understand, but now the quality of conversations we have together, they're way different. I see so much receptiveness in the way she talks to me, way I talk to her, and no ideas are wrong, no ideas are it's like even my wife is she waits to spend time with me. Previously it was only my turn all the time. Now it is that's there importantly, and my daughter was also very supportive. My mom is very supportive right now, and home is becoming more and more magical, I would say. I always wait for these events to happen. I want to come whenever it is. So that's my state all the time. Whole family was there. That was really awesome. Wife also has completed 2 ops now.
Mostly it is overtaken by the environment than our relation. So
Okay.
that has reduced, and now we have very qualitative talk. And I'm able to reflect also, saying, what was it? How was it? I was not realizing that there might be his way of understanding, or he also might have something to say, rather than just I taking the decision, or I, always communicating, or I just flushing out basically on him. Recently, I'm also able to realize the situations. Like thyroid is one of the thing which I got reframing done. After that, I think I tested twice, and I'm not on medicine immediately after up. Within minutes, and then the severe leg pain, then throat pain, everything is not there. I'm trying to validate it. Is it there? Is it there? No, it's not there. I'm amazed with it. I'm so happy. I see the urge in both of them, making people or taking the people to the next level, which now I'm able to feel it from bottom of my heart, which is making me like out of the world.
I love you both. You make me happy.
We love you. Thanks for coming into our life. The floodlights have been put on us, on our life, and now I see the way. Thanks a lot for doing what you're doing and the way you're doing. And I wish everything happens as per your wish. Thanks a lot.